If you can hear my voice, clap once. Oh, just one time. If you can hear my voice, go ahead, put your hands in the air. If you can hear my voice, show me a ready audience. All right, well, I see so many costumes today, it's making me feel like... And I've told that joke like 20 times today, and it just gets better every time. We are here to do a couple things. We're here to celebrate a holiday. We're also going to start with our life skills. I'm going to start with our life... Oh, I've got to start with something else first. Our gratitude-gram polls. So when I call your name, you have won a gratitude-gram this week. During recess, if your name was called, you're going to head down to the office and get your prize from Miss Shannon. First, from TK in kindergarten, Dylan Lopes from Miss Smith class. So hold on, at recess there. For first grade, can't quite read the writing, Cora from Miss Cutler's room. From second grade, I have Janessa from Dunaway. From third grade, I have Kiara from Miss Dunbar's. From fourth grade, I have Celeste from Miss Diaz's room. And from fifth grade, I have Aurora from Miss Gamel's room. All right, so again, if your name was called at recess, you'll see Miss Shannon. Let's go on to our gratitude-grams, our life skill awards. This month's was responsibility. And responsibility is taking care of yourself. It's taking care of the things that you said that you would do. So completing your homework and your classwork is responsibility. Taking care of a pet is responsibility. Taking care of the supplies outside, the equipment for recess, or cleaning up your mess after you eat, that's also responsibility. We're going to recognize our life skill winners. I'm going to call names. If your name is called, you're going to walk down the aisle here. You'll shake hands, I guess kind of bump elbows with Miss Talbot, and then you can head back to your spot there. So starting off from Mrs. Talbot's fifth grade class, can I have Teddy Connell? Sawyer Gritch. And Robert Thompson Salas. From Mrs. Gamel's fifth grade class, can I have Brooke Montgomery? Jackson McGowan. And Annie Williams. Next up, from Mr. Kane's fifth grade class, I have David Gomez, Haslin Gutierrez, Valentino Ledoux, Yuretsi Ochoa, and Samantha Ray. All right. From Mrs. Diaz's fourth grade class, can I have Rudy Aguirre? Jake Johnson? And Ava Valley. From Mr. Brooks's 4th grade class, can I have Efren Covarrubias? And Ali So. From Miss Lyon's 3rd grade class, can I have Haley Blankenbaker? Noah Gong. And Ashton Wakefield. From Mrs. Floor's 3rd grade class, can I have Kira Dolan, Hannah Holes, and then Jesse Olson. From Mrs. Dunbar's 3rd grade class, can I have Ella Berteo, Shane Machado, and Isenia Martinez, and Kiara Zarate. All right. I want to appreciate my quiet audience members here. You guys are doing great. Next up, we have from Mrs. Hempsmeyer's 2nd grade class, we have Juliet Beebe, Abby Chinchilla Costigan, and Caleb Shamo. From Miss Everett's 2nd grade classroom, I have Natia Bali, Riley Bowman, Lucas McGowan, and Grace Smith. From Mrs. Dunaway's 2nd grade classroom, I have Ferris Al-Kawasmi, Olina Bolyag, and Annabella Thompson. From Mrs. Little and Mrs. Yanez's 1st grade class, can I have Shavi Rodriguez and Jessica Zaidan. From Mrs. Cutler's 1st grade class, can I have Asa Daynard, Lila Delgado, and Aaliyah Villalobos. From Miss Cockram's 1st grade class, I have Jazzy Junk, Chase McCarthy, and Isabella Reyes. From Mrs. Smith's kindergarten class, I have Dylan Lopez, Dylan Lopes, Ria Vami, From Miss Sacco's kindergarten classroom, can I have Alan Betancourt? Owen Fogel? And Edith Sandoval? From Miss Anino's kindergarten, can I have... Oop, get ready. Casey Cadigan? And Chloe Stevens? Last, from Mrs. Allen's TK class, can I have Bryson Biella Blocky and Weston Froman? Let's have a big round of applause for our Lifeskill winners. So the next thing we're going to do, I see a lot of really cool costumes here today. When I call your teacher, and that's your class, I'm going to invite you to stand up. You're going to stay where you are, but you can turn around and show off your costume. So I think I'll have the 5th grade start that. We'll work backwards. Miss Talbot's class, show us what you got. All right, thank you, Miss Talbot's class. Miss Gamble's class. Let's see those costumes. Mr. Kane's class. Mrs. Diaz's class. Mr. Brooks's class. Miss Lyon's class. Mrs. Flora's class. Gonna give our camera person some time here. Mrs. Dunbar's class. Then Mrs. Hemsmeyer's class. Miss Everett's class. Mrs. Dunaway's class. Mrs. Little and Mrs. Yanez's class. Mrs. Cutler's class. Oh, a lady there.
We're just gonna go back to...
Well, Miss Cutler's class, the camera quite hasn't gotten to you yet. You want to stand up for me one more time?
There we go.
Mrs. Smith's kindergarten class. Mrs. Oh, did I skip Miss Cockrum's class? I am so sorry, Miss Cockrum's class.
Just behind us.
Okay. Miss Sacco's class. Miss Anino's class. And Mrs. Allen's class. All right. Thank you so much. We're gonna end as we normally do with our school song.
Good morning, Han School. You ready for our Han song? All right, ready? Marguerite Han School is a great kind of school where the students learn and grow. We will do our best to this knowledge rest. We learn what we need to know. We work side by side, hold our heads up with pride. All the teachers and students as one. We will not forget these years we spent. On Panthers are number one.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope today is a wonderful day. Please turn to your teacher and look and wait to be dismissed.